All right, good morning, guys. YouTube people world, whoever. Welcome back to Half-Fast 719. I'm just walking around. Kids from camp. Anyway, yeah, so apparently my wife decided to move my cameras, my little box package, whatever, case for all my GoPros and all my other stuff, and I guess I forgot it because it wasn't where I put it to grab all my stuff. But anyway, so I have no cameras other than a phone. So there will be no video. I did bring my drone. So I do have a drone. I guess I could probably fly. But I don't know how I'm going to fly it. But yeah. Pretty nice little weekend. A little breezy. You can probably hear the breeze. But I'm just going to walk around. Did some working on some stuff. Let me stop here. Is a yerba mate. Yerba madre, I guess, Spanish. Anyway, so yeah, I have no cameras, no microphones, not gonna have any footage. Which is alright, I guess. It is what it is. I guess it's less stuff to lose, less stuff to break, less money to spend later to replace it. But anyway, I don't know how busy this weekend's gonna get, but we went on the ride. I think we went that way, and the dunes are so bad because I guess the rain and what do you call it? Wind made the dunes really bad. So I don't know how much footage, or I'm not gonna do any footage, but I don't know how much riding we're gonna do in the side by sides because, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, just walking around while everybody's doing whatever they're doing. I know I need to burn fuel. I need to burn water. I mean, I'll dump my water when I leave, as I'm leaving. Keep the dust. It'll be dust control. But, yeah, anyway. This is what we got, guys. They are cracking down out here for glass bottles, wood and glass right there. Basically anything that punctures tires and stuff. So I think probably today they're probably over there checking. So Rangers and stuff. But anyway, it's supposed to be a nice weekend. I wish I would have brought my stuff, because I got out here and I was like, man, I grabbed all my stuff because I put it in a little spot where I usually put all my work stuff. And I just guess I assumed that I loaded it in the truck. But yeah, I tore the whole truck apart, went into every cabinet in the toy hauler, and nothing. And then I called the wife and I was like, hey, can you go in the garage and check where my cameras are? And she goes, oh, I moved them. I'm like, oh, cool. Anyway. But yeah, anyway, guys. It's gonna be it. We're parked out here in the rocks, the shelly stuff. Mainly to try to get away, just stay away from people, because there's a lot of kids in this group. Yeah, a little sand dune right here. It's a pretty crazy little sand dune. Looks kind of cool, actually. It's a little mini comp hill for little toys. Anyway, I'm gonna head back to camp. Just decided to walk and talk. Because that's what people do. That can do multiple things at once. Walk, talk, drink, record. Man, multi-talented. Yeah, it's gonna suck. That's gonna be boring because I was hoping to have a lot of video footage. I packaged up 3 GoPros and the DJI, but not here. I do have a GoPro in the truck, but it takes a different charge cable, and I don't have any of the adapters and all that stuff. So, yeah, I can't really do anything with it. Anyway, I'm gonna walk back to camp, see what everybody's doing. We did go out on a big ride on the dirt bikes. We went over through those mountains, through there, come around, and then came out this way back to camp, or maybe it was over there. But that's what we got. Oh, by the way, one in Glen. Come out here in the dunes and you can find all kinds of glass. Glass marvels, masterpieces. Jägermeister glass. Tequila glass. Anyway, glass is glass. Anyway, I should have brought my RC truck too. Man, I think I'm gonna throw everything in this trailer. Maybe not. I just gotta remember to grab it. It was on my checklist too, and I did check it off. I checked it off as loaded because I figured I'd grab it. But I can't grab something that's hidden from me. Anyway, guys. Alright. We'll see you guys on the next video. I don't know what it'll be. Maybe it'll be something. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment. Do what you do. Later.